Dale from Gale Force Winds, and it has been a great day in conversation right here at Discovery Community College. Beautiful Nanaimo, British Columbia. Always good to be out west. Really enjoy the people, really enjoy the conversation, and certainly enjoy the weather. Zander, why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself? Tell us what you do.
Sure, yeah. My name is Zander Cook. I'm the General Manager at Nanaimo Seniors Village, and we have a partnership with Discovery College. We actually have a college classroom on site.
So tell me about the Seniors Village. Tell me about what that is.
Sure. We're a campus of care community, so we have both independent living, assisted living, and long-term care. We're on about a 7-acre parcel with 3 separate buildings. We've got approximately close to 400 residents and about 300 plus staff. So it's a big community, and but it's just a pleasure and an honor to serve our residents and our staff.
That sounds like a big operation.
It is, yeah. It's, I think, the biggest on the island, actually.
Wow, and in a beautiful location, no doubt.
It is, yeah. Nanaimo's fantastic.
Zander, of course, you have a campus or a classroom in your facility for the students right here at Discovery. Tell me how that works.
Yeah, so we've got a partnership with Discovery College, and we actually have a classroom physically on site along with a lab. And basically we host them, the students, and we treat our students like staff, and we high respect for them. We hope that they would like to come work for us as well, so it's a win-win for us. Yeah. And it's also a win-win for our team because they got sometimes some extra hands on deck to learn and grow and help out our staff with the residents, with the care.
You know, care, as you describe it, requires a lot of people to collaborate, a lot of people to work together in order to provide the client the best possible service. And I sense that collaboration between Discovery and their industry partners like you. Talk to me about that importance of collaboration.
Yeah, it's very important. We treat the students like staff, and we work with the instructors as well. And we just want to promote that, all the things they learn about care on a daily basis and support them in their growing. As a matter of fact, we have 2 former Discovery College students. One is our Assistant Director of Care, and one's our Director of Care. Wow. So they've advanced in their careers, and those are pretty significant roles in terms of long-term care. So they basically run long-term care, the 2 of them. And I'm just so proud that they're, Discovery College students.
Zander, the one thing that in your world, indeed, it's very dynamic and fluid. You've always got to be changing the way you do business and adapting as you go. I find Discovery is very innovative in their thought process, innovative in the way they teach, certainly with remote and that, and agile and able to kind of adapt as the industry needs it. Talk about the importance of that need for innovation and agility.
Yeah, really incredibly important right now. And like you said, our healthcare system is shifting, changing all the time. The dynamic changes in long-term care and assisted living and independent living it teaches the students to be able to be flexible. And I applaud Discovery College for their out-of-the-box thinking and their collaboration with us. It's so important for them to be adaptable with ever-changing healthcare conditions and regulations changing quite often. So yeah, it's great that they're flexible and out-of-the-box thinkers.
Zander, it takes a village, right, to do a lot of things, and Discovery, and like your organization, is very community-minded. They're part of the community. They're entrenched in the community. They understand that a rising tide floats all boats and that everybody needs to be a part of this solution. Talk to me about the importance of that community involvement.
Yeah, huge. Like you said, it takes a village, and it is called the Nanaimo Seniors Village, so we definitely operate as a village, and yeah, that collaboration is incredibly important for them, for the students to be able, like I said, we treat them like staff, to be integrated and to be respected, and also gives them a great opportunity to do that hands-on learning.
So you've hired graduates. Obviously, your director,
yeah.
your director and the assistant director are both graduates here.
Yes.
Tell me about the quality and the caliber of the graduates coming out of Discovery.
Really good, actually. Just phenomenal people that are there for the right reasons. You can feel the compassion for seniors or for residents, and they treat each other very well. The staff are, when they come to us and they're graduated, we just we're happy to see that's Discovery College, and it's a very reputable organization that we're proud to be a partner with.
Zander, it's been an absolute privilege to be in conversation with you. Thank you for your conversation. Thank you for your lens on Discovery College, but more importantly, thank you for what you do.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a pleasure, an honor to be here. Thanks for your time.